My correct person there, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when you take see this video. This na Favors blog and will bring you Open Heavens Daily Devotional in Pidgin English for Wednesday, wey be the 25th day of September 2024. The topic wey we dey look today na God blank shake. God blank shake. Our Bible reading na from Daniel chapter 9. From verse 13, go shook body enter 19. Make we read am. So I wear sackcloth, sit down for ashes, then turn to God, come dey beg am as I dey pray and fast. I pray to God, come confess all the bad things wey we don do to say, God, you get power well well, and we dey honor you. You dey keep your promise. You dey love your people wey love and obey you. We don sin. We wicked well well, and we dey do bad things. We no dey do wetin you command, and we don turn from your correct way. We no gree lis ten to your servant wey be prophet, the one wey dey tell our kings, ruler, grandpapa, and all the nations about you. Our God, na only you dey do wetin dey right, but dem dey disgrace us every day because Judah, Jerusalem, and all the people wey you scatter go everywhere no gree lis ten to you. My God, we dey suffer like this because our kings, rulers, and grandpapa don sin against you. But even with all the sin wey we commit, you still dey forgive and sorry for us. We no dey obey the oga our God because we no dey live our life as he say make we live am. We even believe say the law when he say make his servant tell us no mean anything. All of us don break your law and we no gree lis ten to wetin you talk. We don sin, and our sin make you dey punish us so, just as your servant Moses write for the law. You don do wetin you say you go do we and our leaders. For all the towns wey dey for this world and Jerusalem, na you dey punish pass. You dey punish us just as they write am for Moses law. But as you punish us reach, we still dey commit sin. We no gree do wetin you talk. Our oga God dey ready to punish us, and he really punish us because anything wey he dey do dey right, yet we no gree lis ten to am. Now, our God, na you take your people comot from Egypt with your mighty power, come make name for yourself wey dem no fit forget forever. We don sin and we dey behave like wicked people. Before, you dey defend us, so make you no vex for Jerusalem again, because na your town and your holy hill e be. Those wey dey stay near us dey look Jerusalem come dey laugh your people because of our sin and the wicked things wey our grandpapa dem do. So now, God, make you hear my prayer, and as I dey beg you, make you sorry for your temple wey dem don destroy, so that everybody go know say na only you be God wey no dey die. Abeg, God, make you sorry for Jerusalem town wey you choose, not because we deserve am, but because of your great love wey no dey fail. So make you forgive us, make you quick hear and answer us, not be just for your town and your people, but na to make people honor and praise your holy name. Our memory verse for today, e dey come from inside Colossians chapter 4 verse 2. Make una dey serious for una prayer, make una dey shine una eye as una dey thank God, make una dey pray. Make we enter today's message. No forget, abeg, like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and make you touch that way be like bell so that you go dey get more of our videos. Prayer na be one of the greatest weapons wey God give man. The ability to call am anytime wey we want and he go answer us. That one na signed blank check to his children. The question now be say, how come some Christians no dey use this blank check? The answer to this question dey for inside Psalm 10 verse 4. Psalm chapter 10 verse 4, wey say, wicked people too stubborn, dem dey always dey think say God no go do me anything because he no care. Christians wey no dey pray dey proud. E mean say dem no dey even dey think about God at all, because dem dey think say dem dey smart enough to solve all their problems by themselves. 1 Corinthians chapter 1 verse 25 tell us to say, no matter how you wise reach, the things of God wey dey very foolish, e get sense pass human wisdom. And the things wey be like say no get power at all, e strength big pass human strength. So na foolishness not to pray. One day when I still be small pikin, I dey play ball for front of our house. E come reach one point, I come kick the ball go top of the roof. E take come hook for there. I small, so I no see the ball. I come try to dey use stick to bring the ball come down for the roof, but I no fit. My papa just sit down dey look me. Me sef, I no even call am for help. At last, when I don tire, I come ask am say abeg daddy help me. Na I come talk say, but you see me for here since o, but you no even bother to ask for my help. E come stand up, e come use only one of him hand like this, but the ball don come down. I think say I go fit bring the ball down by myself. I come continue to dey stress myself to do so, even though when say I for just fit easily ask my papa for help and he for bring the ball come down for me. Many people dey stress themselves unnecessarily. They dey run from pillar to post, dey search for solutions to problem wey be like say e dey very easy to solve if they go just kneel down pray to God. For inside Jeremiah chapter 33 verse 3, God give you one blank check for them. E talk say, call me when you dey pray and I go answer you. I go tell you great and wonderful things wey you don't know about. Me, I don dey use my blank check at every opportunity when I get, and God dey always dey answer me and e dey show me great and mighty things when I don't know. The question now be say, you go start to dey use your blank check? Wetin be our point wey we go note today as we don finish this message so? Our key point be say, prayerlessness na foolishness. Now here we take come to the end of today's open heavens topic. No forget say our topic na God blank check. And this open heavens what we listen to today so, na from inside the open heavens daily devotional wey be like say na book wey Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, write. And on top this your confirmed channel Favours blog, now you take listen to today's message. We want to thank all our subscribers, and I beg, if you never subscribe, do it to help us like this video, share the video, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime we drop videos, you go dey notified for inside your phone say better to land on top of Favours blog. Sanctuary of God's Love Mission, aka Champions Chapel, they invite una to their Jubilee Life Celebration 2024, and the theme for this year na a mighty Pentecost. Date, the program don already start. It will finish on the 29th of September 2024. The time na 4 p.m. every day and 8 a.m. on Sunday morning. The venue na the Church Auditorium 4446 Ojugu Street off Kiwamu Road, Warri, Delta State. If you dey around Warri and the environs, may you try shook body for inside this program. As a program, it could make sense, no be small. Thank you when you stay with us to the very end of this video. May God bless you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Until we come your way again with another exciting video, make you not forget, say you dey created to dominate. Make it better for you, my person.